ianda maunduni uimi wa Malaa, Matunda na Mboka Horticulture yu methia matonya kuthoosya syindu syoo sokoni wa nthi syonthe itina wa silikali kukwata mwanya wa mawonan'Yo uimi ma Doha International Horticultural Expo 2023 kuya Qatar. Aineenea kuya Doha musyini usu wa nthi syo ya Qatar, minista wa uimi Mithika Linturi itina wa kwikon'Ya wiw'ano wa mawonan'Yo easya kana muvea wa uimi niwe yumite kuthoothesya Aimi kukwata soko wa nthi sya Asia muvangoni wa bottom up. Lina Musangi no kutwelesya.
Aineenea musyini munene wa nthi ya Qatar Doha, minista muveani wa uimi Mithika Linturi kavindani kalewe kiasa ima witikilano na kamishona maungami wa mawonan'Yo ma nthi syonthe ma International Horticultural Expo ni waweta Aimi ma Malaa nthi ya Kenya tameo kwata ivuso ya kwithwa nthini wa mawonan'Yo iseso ila yotwa iso vandu vailungu ya meithanza tu.
Leaders and the various business people around, we are going to participate in this expo by having our tent or a stand for the next 5 months, so that we can use this opportunity to be able to exhibit, to be able to bring to the world to know what Kenya is able to do, and especially in the area of trying to market and promote our various value chains in agriculture. Coffee, which of course everyone knows is an area that is of very great concern.
Turi ni wongela kana muvea uwa uimi ta wiki ita mitalatala ya kuikitha kana Aimi pamwe na atandithia ni makwata ivuso ya kutamaliyo na nthi syenza muvangoni wa serikali wa bottom up.
We have an opportunity. We are getting support from the Qatar business people. Tea is another area, and I'm happy to learn that people here really appreciate the kind of quality of tea that comes from Kenya.
Minister uota unovikia mkutanoni wa atandithia manzi vala kulile serikali ya Qatar yume mungu wa kuthoa indo vamwe na nyama kuma nthi ya Kenya oweta kiita kele kukilia mono atandithia vanzi ya Kenya na mono atandithia maindo.
We've also decided that out of the discussions that we've had, we are doing our best. We run the midnight oil to be able to open or resolve the outstanding issues, so that we can be able to export our meat from Kenya to Qatar. So the issues revolving around the foot and mouth disease and the restrictions that were put that have completely been unable for us to make entry to this market, the issues we are resolving. We already discussed the Department of Veterinary Services, and we are on course. So generally this opportunity to bring or use this expo to be able to demonstrate to the world what Kenya is doing is a great opportunity for us, and is something that we cannot really afford to lose. So I think we will be able in the next 5 months really to present very strong brands of the various value chains that we are doing in this sector, so that people that are coming from all over the world are able to have a taste of Kenyan products here from Qatar.
Mwini wa 10 mwakani wa 2021 nzisia Uarabu ni kana Middle East ni sehemu mungu wa kuthoa wanyama uvama na indo va Kenya hata nzi ya Qatar bado ndia umya mungu.
It will open the door for a closer cooperation between the countries in different areas. We have talked about, I was really lucky and fortunate to visit Nairobi just a few weeks ago. And honestly, I was amazed by what I saw in terms of quality of the tea, of the coffee, of the meat that I have tasted. I think we're talking here about a new market for Kenyan products. I hope soon we will start importing tea and coffee to the Qatari market. There's big consumption here of tea and coffee. We have also talked about a strengthening relation in other areas, and we will leave this open for future talks. Qatar, the state of Qatar, has a priority also in terms of strengthen relation with African countries.
Goripoti ya vlingwa mavo nilina Musangi.